Right folks, that's us, the balers away, this is new, we're going to floor all this way here to there, all the way out folks now. We're going to take the partition down and relocate it, look at that. And then up here we're going to make a bigger work table, you'll see everything as it happens, you'll see it daily, we're training every day, we update every day to let you see what happens down here in the mighty WSH workshop. With all this to sort out today, there's Horatio and Frederick, they're busy eating. When you get policemen come in here in the morning, they're tremendous, look at that, they're no happy. They're nobody eating them by the way, they're pets by the way. Anyway, and there's Dumper standing guard. It's becoming like a zoo here folks, it's like a zoo between Albert the Griller, Dumper, Horatio and Frederick. Anyway, and then also, hello to, I've written down, I spoke to a good friend yesterday. It was Chris Drogan in the High Street and his wee dog Pepe, who are following me regularly, we even follow him through Spain there. But as you'll see there, all this here, we're going to go this, move back in there and all tidy up. And we'll give you an update today or tomorrow. And more updates and let you know what happened. But then we'll all really give you updates with the real thing, the real side of the business, the fencing side and the gate side. So see you all there folks and keep following and sharing and talking about me and waving at me and clapping and shouting. And there's that wee boy from Moncton, so he is, what was a week, 6 feet 2 he is. Oh well done there the heads. See you all there folks.